What's up, guys? We're back. I feel like it's been a while since we've done a video, and I want to do a quick update. But I've resorted to buying avocados because I don't have any avocados myself. And I mean, I have avocados, but they're not ripe. So what I've been doing is buying avocados that I'm going to zoom in here so you can see it. But essentially, if you can see this, this is a USA avocado. So I try to buy local USA, which for me is probably California grown. And that's a good thing because I'm in Southern California and I've bought avocados from Colombia, Peru, and sometimes the whole bag is bad. You know, you go to Costco, you get like a bag of 6, and all 6 or maybe 3 are bad. So if I'm buying avocados, what I try to do is at least buy avocados that are US grown, which is probably California, or Mexico grown, which is a little closer, so they're not shipping it as far. So that's the key for me. But I'm going to show you a couple of avocados that I'm excited about because this year is the first year it's actually fruited and they're doing pretty good. Let's go take a look. Of course, I gotta stay hydrated, and I'm actually doing something different. I'm doing a bourbon and Coke. So if you think my avocado collection is pretty amazing, well, I'm probably the only one that thinks it's amazing because I'm growing it myself. But my bourbon collection is pretty massive also, which is crazy. All right, before I show you the avocado, I have a friend who's grown a Cherimoya. This is my Cherimoya. This is pretty much how big it is right now. I wanted to do a quick video to show it. And here's the one and only fruit that I got, which is right there. You can see that? Cherimoya. So kind of wanted to show that. It was flowering a lot, but I didn't come out here and try to hand pollinate or anything like that. But at least I have one fruit, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully this one sticks. All right, so here's the tree. This is what I wanted to kind of show you guys today. There's the 5-foot mark right there in blue. So this is the little Cado, aka the Wurtz Avocado. And this year it fruited and there's lots of fruit in there, and I've been pleasantly surprised how big they're getting already. And there's more in there. Let me show you a couple more. A couple in there, you see that? So there's a bunch in there. Here's another cluster down here. So the Wurtz Little Cado is actually doing really good this year. So I'm curious to see how this is going to taste. So this is the first year that I have fruit, and I'm hoping that it tastes good. All right, so this is exciting because I watch YouTube also, kind of like you guys, and there's a guy that's growing this avocado, and he said he had it for like 10 years and got no fruit. So this is essentially my 3rd year, I guess. So if you kind of like go back to when I first planted this, I'll put a link down below so you can actually see. I call it avocado tax day. Essentially, I planted it around tax day. So exciting that it's got fruit, and I hope that it's going to hold on. At this point, considering the size of the fruit already, I mean, this should hold on. We should be able to get fruit to ripen eventually. We'll be able to enjoy this. So very exciting. I mean, the thing is, it's called the Little Cado, but the fruit is not little. So that's one of the things that people kind of see when they see the tag. They don't know anything about avocados. They're like, Little Cado, oh, we don't know if we want little avocados. But the tree is small. The fruit is actually pretty big. And I'm hoping that the fruit is going to be pretty good. Oh, I see something here. Let me see if I can show you guys. Look at that, we got a cuke in there also. Looks like a little cucumber. Hopefully it's zooming in correctly, but in any case, there's fruit in here. Excited about that. Follow along if you guys are growing avocados. Follow along if you got a Wurtz avocado. Keep me updated if yours is doing as good as this one. And actually, in the description below, I'm gonna kind of talk about it a little bit, but comment down below if you have this tree. Comment down below if you like it and you think it tastes pretty good, because I'm kind of curious, because I do want to keep it and excited to have this in my little mini orchard here, and hopefully it's going to produce a lot of fruit next year also. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you today is this is a green gold avocado. So I got this green gold from Epicenter. Sorry for the mess, there's lots of grass here. Yes, I know I need to start ripping all that stuff out. But one thing about Epicenter avocados is they typically come in a little on the smaller side, and it takes about a year to establish. But once it establishes, it really takes off. So you can see this new growth, this is essentially just this year. For like essentially a year, there was nothing at all, and now it's really taken off. So if you're buying a Epicenter avocado, just be patient. The thing is, they got some really good varieties that they're growing. I know they're growing the SC Gold. I think they're naming it something different, but you're probably going to only find SC Gold being propagated by them. So if you guys want one, go to their website, order it. It may take a year. It took me like a year to get this tree, and then when I finally got it, it took another year for it to kind of get like this. So you just got to be patient. But one of the things about the green gold is it's supposed to be really good, so I was willing to kind of be patient and hopefully get this. So I'm expecting this to kind of grow pretty well the rest of the year, and then hopefully in the future we will get fruit. And as soon as I get fruit, I'll be able to share it with you guys and see how it goes, and then do a taste test, of course. So all right, so I figure I better show you my SC Gold, which is right here. I'm gonna, hold on, let me walk in there so you can see. So the difference between buying something like this from Epicenter is that I grafted this. You can see the graft right here. So this is essentially the scion, and then down here is a bacon seed that I got, which I stuck in the ground right here next to my bacon. So this is my bacon, and this is SC. So I had a seed, I threw the seed down here, and it grew, and then I stuck a SC Gold graft right here, and in 1 year, essentially 1 year, this is what it looks like right now. So this is all new. All of this is all new. I'll show you a picture of what it looks like last year. So it's really just taken off. So grafting it yourself onto a strong rootstock like this can really help accelerate. And this seems to be doing really good. So I'm excited about getting flowers next year for sure, and then we'll get some fruit. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it does, and if it does, definitely we'll document it and kind of show you guys. And then hopefully I can share some budwood and scions with people in the future. So the guy that originally has it in his yard and is naming it the SC Gold for Santa Clara Gold, he is the one that's going around kind of just hooking people up and trying to promote this variety, which I think it's excellent. So if you guys are looking for an excellent variety, and so far it's growing great in Southern California, so That was something I was kind of curious about because he's kind of like Northern California and his tree is doing well. What's good about the SC is that the fruit kind of hangs on the inside, so it really is protected. So we'll see how it goes for us. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Be a part of the team. Join the journey. Grow some avocados yourself. And we'll talk later. See ya.